Vital Statistics, Unit 1. Measurement of population. Measurement of fertility. Fertility refers to the births occurring to women of childbearing age. Fecundity refers to the capacity of a woman to bear children. While measuring fertility of a community, only the live births are considered. Measures of fertility. The different measures of fertility are crude birth rate, general fertility rate, age specific fertility rate, total fertility rate, crude birth rate meaning merits and demerits. Definition. It is defined as the average number of live births occurring to 1000 individuals in a year. Crude birth rate is equals to number of live births in a year divided by average population in the year into 1000, where B is number of live births in a year, P is average population in the year. So, crude birth rate is equals to B divided by P into 1000. Merits and demerits of crude birth rate. The merits of crude birth rate are: it is simple to understand and easy to calculate. It does not need detailed information for computation. It indicates the rate of growth of population due to live birth. Demerits of crude birth rate are: it ignores the age and sex composition of the population. It takes both men and women population into consideration. It cannot be used to compare birth rates of two or more populations. Calculation of crude birth rate. Note: in the measurement of vital statistics, only live births are considered. Stillbirths are totally ignored. Example 1. Average population of a town in a year was 1,50,000. In the year, 6,000 live births occurred in the town. Find the crude birth rate. Average population of a town equals to P equals to 1,50,000. Live births equals to B equals to 6,000. Crude birth rate is equals to B divided by P into 1000. After applying into that, 6,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 1000 is nothing but 40. Hence, crude birth rate is 40 per 1000 individuals. Example 2. In a year, the average population of a town was 1,83,450. The number of live births occurred in that year in the town was 5,400. Find the crude birth rate. Average population of a town is P equals to 1,83,450. Live births equals to B equals to 5,400. Hence the formula crude birth rate is B divided by P into 100. Hence the formula crude birth rate is B divided by P into 1000. After applying the values, 5,400 divided by 1,83,450 into 1000. Nothing but 29.44 per 1000 individuals. Example 3. In a year, in a human population of 86,500 individuals, there were 1,740 live births and 1,520 deaths. Assuming that the population is closed for migration, calculate crude birth rate. We know that crude birth rate is calculated by using the formula number of live births in a year divided by average population in the year into 1000. The population in the beginning of the year is P0, 86,500. Number of live births is B, nothing but 1,740. Number of deaths is D, equals to 1,520. The population is closed for migration. That means number of immigrants, that is I, number of emigrants, that is E, both are 0. Hence, we need to calculate here population at the end of the year by using the formula. After applying, P0 becomes 86,500, B becomes 1,740 minus D becomes 1,520, and I and E both are 0. And we are getting answer for 1,740 minus 1,520 as 220. So our last answer is 86,720. The population at the end of the year is PT is 86,720. Average population can be calculated by using the formula population in the beginning plus population at the end whole divided by 2. 86,500 plus 86,720 whole divided by 2, nothing but 1,73,220 whole divided by 2. 86,610 is average population. Here we need to calculate crude birth rate. Therefore, B divided by P into 1000. After applying, 1,740 divided by 86,610 into 1000 is 20.09 per 1000 individuals. Example 4. In a year, crude birth rate for population of 2 lakh is 40. Find the number of births. Crude birth rate is CBR is 40. Total population of a town is 2 lakh. Population in the beginning and population at the end is not clearly mentioned. Hence, total population of a town is equals to average population is equals to 2 lakh. We need to calculate live birth. Crude birth rate is B divided by P into 1000. Nothing but 40 equals to B divided by 2 lakh into 1000. After cancelling 3 zeros, we are getting 40 equals to B divided by 200. We need to move 200 that side, it becomes multiplication. 40 into 200 equals to B. Number of live births is B, nothing but 8,000. From the following data, calculate crude birth rate. Crude birth rate is nothing but number of live births in a year whole divided by average population in the year into 1000. Nothing but B divided by P into 1000. For that, first we need to calculate the total of male population, that is 1,79,000, and total of female population, that is 1,74,000, and total of birth as 8,413. After applying 8413 whole divided by 1,79,000 plus 1,74,000 into 1000, that is nothing but 8413 whole divided by 3,53,000 into 1000, nothing but 23.83. Example 6. Calculate the crude birth rate of the following data. According to the formula, crude birth rate is nothing but B divided by P into 1000. So our first step is to calculate the total of population as 2 lakh and birth as 5,000. 5,000 divided by 2 lakh into 1000, nothing but 25. It is our crude birth rate.